Hello. Oh, I'm getting a little motion sick. Holy. Hello? I'm becoming immune. I'm powerful. I'm...
Also
Spare some bread, please. Oh, yeah. Croissant. Oh god, excuse me. Oh, I have hiccups. Oh, that does not feel good. I think I'm gonna throw up here. Yeah, I threw up. Hello, feet. I don't feel so good. I don't think there's supposed to be blood when you throw up, guys. I think something's not so daijobu. The worst part is, you know what really pisses me off about throwing up, right? What pisses me off is I had a bunch of produce today, and produce is expensive as shit. And it really pisses me off that I wasted it by throwing up. What did I eat? I had broccoli and tofu and rice. I dropped my mouse.